Sammy. So I've gotten quite a few requests for some more nunchucks tutorials. So what I've decided to do is a thing called Tutorial Tuesdays, and every Tuesday I'm going to be releasing a video on YouTube to learn some more about nunchucks. And what I want to do is at the end of those 4 weeks, I want to put them all together to make a whole combination. So if you're looking to improve your nunchuck skills, make sure you subscribe so you can follow along and learn. So what we're going to be working on today is going to be called the finger spin. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your nunchuck positive grip, okay? It's going to kind of be like the opposite of the thumb spin that we worked on before. And make sure that you bring your pointer finger out, and you're actually going to put it on the other side of your nunchuck. From here, you're going to have your nunchuck on the opposite side of your body, across your body. You're going to do one spin, and from here you're going to tilt it upward, let it wrap around your pointer finger when it's pointing upwards. So try it again, one spin and let it point upwards. From there, all you have to do is the easy part. You just let go. Cross your body, one spin and let go. Okay? Alright, so I hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe so that you can follow along as we learn a whole combination for nunchucks. Thank you!